Every single day, millions of packages begin their journey inside buildings like this one. It all starts with a single click. An order placed from anywhere in the country. In milliseconds, the order races through servers, instantly locating the nearest warehouse. Inside, a fulfillment center larger than several football fields springs into action. Before any order ships, inventory first arrives from manufacturers across the country. Every item is scanned and logged into the system the moment it arrives. Unlike traditional stores, items are stored randomly, a system designed for speed, not order. Autonomous robots glide beneath the shelves, carrying entire product pods directly to workers. In seconds, the exact shelf holding your item arrives right at the worker's fingertips.
A worker picks the exact item, guided precisely by a screen showing what to grab.
Picked items travel through miles of conveyor belts, crisscrossing the entire building. A massive sortation system diverts each item to its exact matching order.
If an order has multiple items, they're brought together at this station before packing.
The completed order arrives at a packing station. It is now ready for its box. The completed order arrives at a packing station, ready for its box.
A custom box-making machine builds the perfect size box for every single item. Workers carefully place each item, ensuring it's secure and protected.
Protective filler is added instantly, keeping every item safe during transit. Protective filler is added instantly, keeping every item safe during transit. An automated sealer tapes the box shut in less than a second.
The package is weighed automatically, double-checking that everything matches the order.
A shipping label is printed and applied in an instant, every detail unique to that order. A final scan confirms every package is labeled correctly before it moves on. Packages are sorted at incredible speed, each one directed toward its shipping zone. Sorted packages are loaded into cages, grouped by neighborhood and delivery route. Loaded cages are wheeled across the warehouse floor toward the outbound trucks. Dozens of delivery vans line up, ready to carry packages to their final destinations. A fleet of vans departs at dawn, carrying millions of packages across the country. From coast to coast, packages travel through cities, suburbs, and small towns alike. At regional stations, packages are reloaded for the final stretch of their journey. Every package is scanned one last time, confirming it's on the correct van. The van winds through neighborhoods, following its optimized route stop by stop. At each stop, a driver carries the package the final few steps to your door. The package is placed carefully, completing a journey that began just hours earlier. Then it's on to the next stop, sometimes over 100 deliveries in a single day.
Meanwhile, the customer receives a notification. Their order has arrived. That satisfying moment of opening the box. The final step of a hidden, high-speed journey.
But behind the scenes, the warehouse never stops. operating 24 hours a day. Even returns follow their own careful process, inspected and restocked for resale. When their shift ends, robots automatically dock and recharge for the next wave of orders. During the holidays, this entire process speeds up even further, handling record numbers of orders. Every worker goes through extensive safety training before stepping onto the floor. The most working tensors to millions of packages move through facilities like this every single day across the country. Behind the speed, there's also a growing push towards sustainable packaging and electric delivery fleets. Even the most remote corners of the country are reached. No address too far.
In busy cities, drivers to navigate high-rises and apartment lobbies just as efficiently.
For some orders, this entire journey happens in just a few hours, from click to doorstep. For some orders, this entire journey happens in just a few hours, from click to doorstep. From robots to routes, every step is engineered for one goal, getting it to you fast. Even after dark, the system keeps moving, because tomorrow's orders are already coming in. Behind every package is a massive team working around the clock to make it happen. Constant innovation keeps this system faster and smarter with every passing year. Constant innovation keeps this system faster and smarter with every passing year. Hundreds of facilities across America work together as one massive, invisible network. Simple as it looks on your doorstep, behind it lies one of the most advanced systems ever built. Billions of packages are delivered every year, each one following this exact hidden process. From a click to a doorstep, this is the untold journey behind every American delivery. Click, pack, deliver. Repeat, the hidden system that keeps America moving, one package at a time.